Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you guys how to make the easy butter cake recipe. How did I make it? Let's go to see. Preheat the oven at the first step, then prepare the ingredient. And first, put the egg into the milk and mix. Next, put a half teaspoon of the baking powder mix into the flour. Next, use the hand mix machine, push into the butter. Make sure the butter was soft, and then put the sugar and mix. Scrape down the edge of the mixing bowl and mix. Scrape down the edge of the mixing bowl again and put SP quality enhancer and mix. Slowly drop the liquid mixer into the butter. Scrape down the side of the mixing bowl. Then serve the flour into the butter and mix twice. And I put the optional vanilla extract. Scrape down the side of the mixing bowl to make sure all the ingredients are mixed well. Baking 150 degrees Celsius for 35 minutes. Refrigerate the butter cake overnight before slicing for perfection.